welcome. Keep watching to see a full tutorial on how to make this gold and black Love You card. Shown here and linked below are all of the supplies that you need to make this card. All that you need is a thin black pen, a pencil, some base paper for your card, and then a gold pen. The first step is to take your pencil and draw out the design, or essentially draw out the letters on your card. I've included a link to a free template in the description box below. Once you're happy with the design and the placement of the letters, simply take your thin black pen and outline everything. Here I'm using a Faber-Castell pen in size F, but really you can use whatever thin black pen you have. If you want really straight lines for your letters, go ahead and use a ruler. However, I ended up just freehanding everything because I was happy with having some kind of imperfections in the lines in my lettering. Once you have everything outlined, switch over to your gold pen. This is the Michael's Recollections pen in gold, and simply color in all of your letters. Depending on how good of a job you did coloring everything in and staying within the black lines, you may be done here. But I decided to go back in with my thin black pen and outline everything again and just make those black lines nice and bold. And also I had kind of mistakenly gone over some of them with the gold pen when I was filling everything in. So once you've done any touch-ups, perhaps you didn't need to, then this simple and elegant Love You gold and black card is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial for this quick and easy card and try making it yourself. Thanks so much for watching.